Alright, so I was wrong about PlayStation Portal and I really had to make this video, and I'm still standing to the statements that I made earlier in my videos about PlayStation Portal, that it's still a garbage device for $200, but you guys have to hear me out. So you guys know PlayStation Portal is a handheld device that costs $200. It doesn't have its own processing power and it does not run games on its own GPU. You need to have a PS5 in order to run the games on PlayStation Portal. Not just PS5, you have to be in the same room as the PS5. You have to have your PlayStation 5 turned on in order to play games on it, right? But there are a few things that are only in PlayStation Portal, and you guys still should not buy it, but there are a specific group of people who should consider buying it, and that's where I was wrong. So first of all, you guys know the PS5 controller, right? This was advertised as PS5 controller with specific functions that only this controller have, that will work with specific games, that will be like Horizon, Spider-Man, and there's like loads of games that will use this controller for its adaptive triggers, vibration functionality and whatnot. And you guys know I already built my own PlayStation Portal. It's not gonna have all of these features. It's not gonna have the adaptive triggers. It's not gonna have the vibrations and any of the features that PS5 controller is capable of. So PlayStation Portal can actually do those. Imagine you playing games on a remote play on a PlayStation Portal, and you can still use the vibration functionalities such as the adaptive triggers, vibrations, and there's like so many features that are built into this controller that will be in the PlayStation Portal. It's not going to be having in your remote play in your own DIY PlayStation Portal, just like I built. So that is one thing. And the second thing is, I know there's going to be a lot of people who's going to take advantage of the PlayStation Portal because there's like so many new games coming up, such as Spider-Man 2. So if I want to play Spider-Man 2 on my DIY PlayStation Portal, I'll be able to play it like flawlessly, but I won't be able to have those adaptive triggers functionality that the newest game's gonna have. Not even the vibrations, none of those things I'll be having. So that's kind of a bummer. So there's like gonna be people who wants to play the game without using the television, without using their monitor, in a handheld device that is the PlayStation Portal. They'll be having those adaptive triggers, and sadly remote play people won't have that. And again, it's still a $200 device that won't run game on its own. Still a garbage. I'm still standing to my point. But the main point of making this video is that there's going to be specific group of people who will take advantage of it. Let's say my TV is running Netflix, my cousins are at my place, they're watching Netflix, and I want to play my PlayStation. So I can use the PlayStation Portal and enjoy it as I'm playing the PS5 with the PS5 controller. Again, I'll be having all the adaptive triggers functionality, I'll have all the vibration sensitivities, and every single thing it'll be on the PlayStation Portal. But still, again, I'm not those people. I'm not gonna buy it. I won't spend $200 on it, but there's gonna be people who will take advantage of it. And I know a lot of you guys thinking that you said earlier that it's a garbage device. I'm still saying it. You can still do the same thing as the PlayStation Portal on the remote play app on your smartphone, but there are a few things that PlayStation Portal is lacking. So let's say I have these $300 Astro A50 headphones. Guess what? I can't use these on PlayStation Portal. I can only use these on PS5. Why? Because Sony did something really stupid. So basically, in order to use any headphones on your PlayStation Portal, I mean, why am I saying in order to? You can't even use it, because in order to play games on your PlayStation Portal and use headphones at the same time, you'll have to buy the proprietary headphones that are coming up with the PlayStation Portal. So you can't use any of the headphones on PlayStation Portal. I mean, why is that? We don't know why you can't use any of the headphones. That's something that Apple does with the devices, like proprietary, let's say, charging port. Like, who does that? So Sony is also going in that direction. Why can't we just use our own headphones if you're paying $200 on a device that's just a remote play? So that I mentioned earlier as well in my videos. And still, like I said, there's gonna be majority of the people who would not buy it, and there's gonna be like 10% of the people who would just buy it in order to like, you know, have it in their collection. But still, my point was this. So my point of this video was that there are a few things that PlayStation Portal have that the remote play will not have. So yeah, this is all I had to say. And me, I would still not consider buying it. Let me know in the comment down below if you guys still think that it's a good device and you should spend your hard-earned money on that PlayStation Portal. And that's all I had to say, that I was wrong about PlayStation Portal because I was researching on the internet. A lot of people are gonna buy it because they have some specific requirements that PlayStation Portal does. Because let's say a kid is not gonna have a smartphone, like, it's not even a good idea to give your kid a smartphone. So those kids can use that as a remote play for their PlayStation 5 if they want to play. So that's it. That's all I wanted to say. And this is why I was wrong about PlayStation Portal. So I hope you guys understand it. And if you're going to buy it, let me know in the comment down below. And if you're the person who have a little bit of brain and not going to buy it, that too, comment down below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.